In today's video, I am going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in the Conversations inbox in Hubspot. To begin, log into HubSpot and look at the main navigation bar. Click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where you manage tools like inboxes, channels, and connections. Once you are in settings, find the inbox section. Then in the left sidebar, click Inboxes. This area lists all the team inboxes and shared communication channels connected to your account. Next, click the name of the inbox you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct inbox, since the forwarding address you set up will determine where those incoming messages will appear inside HubSpot. Inside that inbox, click Connected Channels. This is where HubSpot lets you connect different sources, like team email addresses, so messages can flow directly into the Conversations inbox. Click Connect a Channel to start the setup. Now select Team Email. This option is used when you want messages sent to a shared email address to be visible to the team in HubSpot. After that, choose Other Mail Account. This is the choice you use when your email is hosted outside of a direct native connection, and you need to forward messages into HubSpot instead. HubSpot will display a forwarding address for your inbox. Copy that HubSpot forwarding address exactly as shown. This address is unique to your inbox, so take care not to change it or add extra spaces when you copy it. Now open a new tab and log into your email provider settings. This might be Gmail, Outlook, or a hosting control panel such as cPanel, depending on where your email is managed. In the forwarding settings for your mailbox, add the HubSpot forwarding address as your forwarding destination. Some providers may require you to confirm forwarding before it starts working, so follow any prompts your provider gives you. Finally, go back to HubSpot and click Verify. This step confirms that forwarding is set up correctly, so HubSpot can start receiving those forwarded emails in the Conversations inbox. And that is all there is to it.